gave us the recipe, so now let's see how it all plates up. Most companies take 5 weeks to turn a trend into a decision. We're going to do it in 5 minutes. To get there, we're breaking 3 barriers: dark data with our knowledge catalog, data silos with our Cross-Cloud Lakehouse, and manual code with Google's new Agentic Tools and skills. So let's get cooking. Our new agentic workflow triggers have detected a tasty trend: midnight swirl froyo. Looks delicious, but with any new flavor, I need to know, is it safe? Are there any hidden allergens? Is there a market? Where are my hungry customers? And is it worth it? What's the real ROI? But first, safety. We have thousands of PDF recipes. I'm going to search for soy. It's a top food allergen and safety is non-negotiable. 0 results. Looks good so far. But this recipe does contain an ingredient, base 204. Let's check the supplier manual for base 204. And here it is. Base 204 actually contains soy. A simple GenAI search would miss this connection because the information is trapped across 2 separate PDFs. So how do we digest all of this data to find those hidden connections? Well, I need an agent that has the skill to work with my PDF data combined with our knowledge catalog. Watch. Our agent helps us find hidden allergens in a recipe for midnight swirl. And here it is. Midnight swirl contains soy, and it's giving me a data citation, a schema called product specs. Now, this schema was generated by our knowledge catalog working with Gemini to reason over our supplier and recipe PDFs and extract entities like recipe, ingredient, and allergen, and mapping those previously invisible connections between them. This is trusted context built over dark data. Next, market size. To launch this globally, I need a precision list of customers with 0 soy allergies. However, I have 2 data sets that have never met. Our allergen schema is here in Google, while my loyalty list with millions of customers and dietary preferences is in AWS S3 Iceberg. Now, usually you'd call your data engineer and wait 3 days for a migration. Not today, no more slow churn. With our Cross-Cloud Lakehouse, the data stays exactly where it is while we dynamically build the list. Before writing a single line of code, Gemini builds a plan using our data engineering tools while respecting my built-in security and permissions. As the data scientist, you're the chef, you can review. Let's accept and see what our agents serve up. They execute on our Lightning engine, which is 2 times more price performant than the market proprietary alternative, filtering our soy-sensitive customers in mere seconds. AWS and BigQuery sources connected. 0 complexity. It's as smooth as a batch of midnight swirl. Finally, ROI. Is this worth a global launch? An annual forecast would help. Again, our agents don't guess. Gemini builds a multi-step execution plan. Can you make changes? Yes, chef. So let's take a look and change the number of simulations from 1,000 to 2,000. And we will accept. Acting as the orchestrator, Gemini delegates to our specialized data science tools, choosing the right models, and again, executing on our Lightning engine for Spark. It's built an entire notebook for me. Now, training usually takes a bit of time, so here's one I ran earlier. $15 million. Even after protecting our soy-sensitive market, the demand is massive. Can we bring back the timer? Look what we accomplished in less than 5 minutes. We turned a viral trend into a $15 million decision. First, Knowledge Catalog found the hidden soy connection. Second, Cross-Cloud Lakehouse, powered by the Lightning engine, connected to AWS with 0 complexity. And third, our agentic skills and tools built the forecast with zero manual code. This is the Agentic Data Cloud.